2007 Audi S4 B7, 4.2 liter engine. Got the valve cover off. This is the half moon seal. It looks like it's been leaking. I took the other one off already, it's down there. But they just slipped right out. They slipped right out. So I'm thinking that was the leak, source of the leak. Down there is the exhaust, way down there, dripping on it. Everything's wet, stinks. I hate it, but it looks like it's gonna be an easy fix. The gasket kit I got came with these half moon seals, so I'm gonna change them out, put it back together, and hopefully that'll get rid of the leak. Valve cover comes off, not too bad at all. It's not that bad.